And someone's asking, what is your, for the laundry owners here, what is your typical video footage retention time frame? Um, and then additionally, are there any of you using surveillance software equipment with AI embedded to assist with slips and falls? Either of the store owners here, are you guys doing that?
I have two different systems. One saves for only about a week. I thought when I bought the system that it would save in the cloud and I could pay for cloud storage. That wasn't true. So it was a big mistake. So I think when you're looking at security systems and things, do a little bit more homework than I did. And then I have a second system that does store in the cloud. I want to say it's 45 days. I think it's which is still not enough because I've heard that the slip and fall people will wait 60 days to file a claim so that you've written over your cameras. But I think it's a situation where I think people will go to Costco or try to save a few nickels on security systems, and I think having that cloud storage for a longer period, I think it's kind of like insurance. You don't need it until you need it. So I would, if I was to do it all over again, I would spend some more time and invest more in more storage than less. I don't have any AI type thing. I just got cameras everywhere. And so if something bad happens, I don't have a blind spot in my laundry.
Right. Perfect. Okay. Matt, how about you at the wash basket? What does your video system kind of look like?
Yeah, it's one of them's a purchased from Costco and put in by my nephew and I, so not real high tech, but we do have we've got 60 days storage. But one of the things I do is I have trained my attendants to, if we do have a customer that falls or or is injured even slightly, they hand them out a Band-Aid or anything like that. I ask them to write them down, just get their name and phone number and just write it down, just so it's not lost. If it does come up to bite me later, it's just, it's documented. I mean, it doesn't have to be a full incident investigation form, but we just know the date and the name of the person, and generally we'll do something nice for them, not to bribe them, but we'll say, hey, sorry about that. That's and kind of work with them. Of course, that's when I have attendance and it's not 24 hours. So that AI technology, that's pretty interesting. That's actually the first time I heard it. So
Perfect. All right, great.